Hey, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Gatefold surprise card using the Country Floral Lane Suite. All right, this is my Gatefold Fun Fold card, and from the outside it just looks like a normal card, but then when you open it up it has a little fun interior. So I've created a template and I'm gonna follow the template. So we start off with an 8 by 5.5 piece of cardstock, and I've already pre-scored it at 2 and 6 inches. So now I'm going to cut it. So I place this at my 1 1/4 inch, and then I'm going to move this down to 2. I'm going to cut that down to 6, and then move it over to 4 1/4, and I can start at 6 and go back up to 2. Now I'm gonna do a couple of scores on the inside. I'm gonna do 3 and 5 in between the cut lines, and then 4 on the top and the bottom. So we'll start with 3. We'll move the cutting piece out of the way so I don't cut. And I'm gonna score in between the cut lines. Then I'm gonna move to 4, and I'm gonna score at the bottom and at the top. And then 5, I'm gonna score in between the cut lines. So now I'm just going to fold on all the score lines and do a little creasing with my bone folder. Want that to come in a little bit. And then these two are mountain folds, so you can pinch those. These are also mountain folds, so it'll look like that. I've cut up some pieces from the Country Floral Lane Designer Series paper, and it has a nice variety of Valentine designs. So I'm going to start with the inside pieces. So I've cut 2 pieces that are 1 7/8 inches by 5 3/8. And then I've cut 4 pieces that are also 1 7/8 by 1 1/8. Now I want to stamp Happy Valentine's Day, but I want to separate each of the words. So I'm only going to ink up happy. And then I'm going to clean that off. And then I'm going to mask the word happy. And I'm just going to ink up Valentine's. And I'll stamp Valentine's. And then lastly, I'm gonna ink up day. And for the front of the card, I'm going to stamp just wanted to say. So that's the inside of the card. And now for the outside of the card, I'm gonna add some more of the Designer Series paper. So I'm gonna stamp this heart in Balmy Blue. and mint macaron. And I'm gonna add this to the outside of the card. And the last step is just to add some of these fun pastel sequins that are part of the suite. And that is my Fun Fold Gate card using the Country Bouquet bundle.